Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best door hinge jig is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a woodworker's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. If you're tired of wonky door installations, misaligned hinges, and the frustration that comes with them, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of door hinge jigs, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect tool for your needs. Number 5. Kreg KHI-HINGE Concealed Hinge Jig. This jig makes drilling for concealed hinges easy and accurate. It ensures precise cabinet door hinge installation, giving you professional results. Get drill press precision with this tool. It ensures consistent hole placement every time, from 2 inches to any position from the door end. Indexing cams and measuring scales eliminate guesswork. This tool allows for precise hinge positioning, and works with various hinge offsets. It comes with a high-quality carbide drill bit and depth stop collar. This ensures flawless hinge cup holes every time. Kreg offers products to help woodworkers achieve their desired outcomes. This tool helps bridge the gap between your ideas and the finished product. What we like. This jig ensures perfect holes for concealed hinges. It offers easy alignment with indexing cams and measuring scales, eliminating guesswork. If you're looking for professional-grade accuracy and a flawless finish for your cabinet doors, this is the tool for you. What people say. The jig is well made and easy to use. It made installing hinges a breeze. The adjustable design accommodated various door and frame sizes. Number 4. Porter Cable 59370 Door Hinge Template. This template is designed for quick and easy setup. It features lock-in pins to ensure security during use. You'll find the setup process straightforward and efficient. The template is built for secure and reliable performance. It comes with double-headed nails for easy removal. This design ensures stability and ease of use. Included with the template is a high-speed mortise router bit with bearing brads along with instructions. This comprehensive package provides everything you need to get started immediately. It supports a wide range of hinge sizes, from 2 to 12 inches to 6 inches. The template also accommodates 5 door sizes, ranging from 1 to 3/8 inches to 2 to 12 inches, offering great flexibility. The double-headed nails make removal simple. This feature saves time and effort, allowing you to work efficiently. It's a user-friendly design for any project. What we like. This template provides a quick and easy setup with lock-in pins. It includes a high-speed mortise router bit and instructions. If you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast who needs to install a variety of door sizes, this template will save you time and effort. What people say. The instructions are good but not great. The supplied router bit cuts clean, and considering the price for decent router bits alone, the price for this set is very reasonable. It's very close to the edge of the door, so you have adequate spacing when hanging the door so it closes easily. Number 3. Milescraft 1213 Hinge Mate 300 Door Hinge Installation Kit. Introducing the Milescraft 1213 Hinge Mate 300. This complete kit makes installing door hinges a breeze. It's designed for both doors and jambs, saving you time and effort. This tool is compatible with hinges from 2.5 to 4.5 inches. It's designed to handle a wide range of door sizes, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The adjustable cams automatically align the templates. This feature ensures accurate mortises for 1 to 3/8 inch or 1.75 inch doors. It simplifies the process significantly. The sturdy steel frame can be used on both the door and the jamb. It's designed to last, and you can use it with or without the stop installed. This provides flexibility in various situations. The kit includes a durable tungsten carbide 1/2 inch router bit. This bit cuts clean and level mortises every time. It ensures a professional finish. Dual position templates allow for 5/8 inch or 1/2 inch radius mortises. This feature provides options for different hinge styles. It adds to the tool's adaptability. The drop-in template design is easy to use, with clearly marked templates. This makes the whole process straightforward and user-friendly. It's designed for ease of use. What we like. This kit installs hinges from 2.5 to 4.5 inches. It features a sturdy steel frame and a durable router bit for clean mortises. If you like a versatile tool that can handle different door thicknesses and hinge types, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The package offers 8 templates for different size of hinges and locks, covering most of the sizes available and allowing for both the door and the jambs to be mortised. Adjustments are easy to make and the booklet explains it well. A router bit is provided, which is nice. Number 2. Door Hinge Installation Kit. This door hinge installation kit is a fantastic accessory for cutting and installing door hinges. It works with round or square corner hinges, and allows you to cut professional-looking mortises in doors for hinges from 3 to 5 in length. The hinge router template adjusts for hinge length, thickness, and corner types. It has a built-in depth gauge and a self-centering hinge bit. This makes it easy to get perfect results, and the corner pieces work well for different radius hinges. Remember, it only works on the door, not the jamb. You only need this hinge template and a router to install your door hinges. Set the depth with the router bit depth gauge and cut out the shape. It's much faster and easier than using a chisel. Made of sturdy plastic with silicone anti-skid pads, this template is stable and won't damage your door. You can use it frequently, and it's built to last. The package includes the door hinge mortiser, a user manual, and 3 bits. It makes perfect cuts and makes mounting hinges a breeze. It's a much better solution than chiseling them out. What we like. This door hinge mortiser is integrated and easy to use, with a built-in depth gauge. It's made of sturdy plastic with anti-skid pads. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient way to install door hinges without a hammer and chisel, this is the tool for you. What people say. This is the best door hinge jig I have ever used. I absolutely love that everything is stored with the jig. The bit depth setter is a great addition. My hinge fit perfectly. Number 1. Milescraft €1,342 Hinge Jig. This jig helps you create perfect hinge holes. It ensures that the holes are straight and accurate, making your cabinets look professional. 2 edge alignment knobs help position the cup hole. The edge pin sets the distance from the top or bottom, making alignment a breeze. The metal drill guide locks into the jig. This creates a perfectly straight hinge cup hole, ensuring your doors hang correctly. Guide bushings let you pre-drill pilot holes. This ensures hinges are straight and the door closes true. A drill bit is included. Easily set your cup hole depth. The built-in depth setting fixtures on the left and right side of the jig make it simple. The hinge marking guide detaches from the jig. This allows you to mark center lines and hinge locations on the cabinet wall or frame. What we like. This jig features edge alignment knobs and a metal drill guide for perfect hinge holes. It also includes pilot hole guides for accurate hinge placement. If you need a precise and easy-to-use jig for both framed and frameless cabinets, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The jig made it easy to install hinges. It is very easy to use and set up. The jig is well made and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.